Watch it. Usually a couple of seeds pop out.
It's gonna pop out. That's fried chicken.
First one.
Can you hear it, Renee?
Did you see the popcorn? When it opens up, you can see how much popcorn is in there. Whoa. Look. I don't think that came out of there. Ow! That just came out of there. Mom, there's a hole in there somewhere.
Oh my goodness. Are you guys excited?
Probably right there.
Okay, it maybe came out from there because there's a big enough hole for it.
Okay, who wants to try some?
It's not ready yet.